Hello, good morning, students. Today, in our Pandas class, we would like to discuss how to create a series from dictionary. In the last classes, we have seen how to create a series from ND array, and today I would like to introduce how to create a series from dictionary. So here is the program. If you can see, first we'll see without index we will create the series. So here first of all, in our all pandas program, we have to write import pandas from PD, import pandas as PD1 and import numpy as NP1. So you have to write import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. So pandas and numpy packages will be imported first, then only we can write our program. So here we are creating first a dictionary data. How to create a dictionary data? Just by using the curly braces. So within curly braces we are writing key value pairs. So keys are before the colon mark, and values are just beside it. Okay, so it is very easy to identify keys and values. This is key, this is value, this is key, this is value, and don't forget to write the colon symbol. Okay, so here in the dictionary value, if you can see, this is the key value before the colon symbol, and this is the value against the key A. So in this way we are creating a dictionary, and our dictionary name is data. So data will be a dictionary. After that, once we have created this data dictionary, simply you have to write your series data structure variable name, and I am giving over here the series data structure name, that is S. And after that, PD1 dot and the series method. Please note down series, and within bracket you have to write the data dictionary name. So the dictionary I have providing over here are already created data. So this is the way we can create the series from a dictionary data. Please note here, the series method name has a capital letter S in its name, and simply after that, once the series is created, we have to print it. And see here, here in the output no index is given, so this is without index. And if we move to with index dictionary creation, we can do it like this. See here what I am giving. Simply you have to write the same program, import pandas as PD1, import numpy as NP1. The data dictionary is created just before in this program. Earlier I have created data dictionary, and while creating series S, just you have to add the index keyword over here, and you can mention the index sequence also. And here you can see A, B, C is there, but in the sequence is not same. First I am putting B, then C, then D, and then A. From where we are getting this D? It is not in our dictionary. It is not there in our dictionary, but still we are giving as an index. So for this index D, we don't have any output over here, and NaN symbol will be printed. So this is the way you can create a series from dictionary without index and with index. And of course I want to run both the programs in my editor, so I am going to open the editor. actually it is already open, and I have written one program over here already. So see, this is the program I have written in Pydroid editor. I'm simply, if you see, the same program is written over here, and I'm simply, what I'm doing, I'm just going to run my program. To run, you have to use this key. Okay, so I'm going to run this program, and if you can see, you will get the output here. This is the output can be seen. So it is very easy to write programs in Pydroid editor. It will be better if you write Pydroid editor. Simply you have to type the code in Pydroid editor, okay, and it is very easy to run it also. So this is the Pydroid editor. You can see I'm returning to my notes, and here it is. So I have written this program. This is the first program I have written. I want the second program you should run in Pydroid editor and show me your execution screen. Okay, now this is the way we can create a series from dictionary. Proceeding, now we are going to see how to create a series from scalar data. Scalar data means the data that I am giving in the whole series. Now through index location, through indexing we can do it. How? Please see, simply you have to write import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. These two lines should be there in all the programs of pandas. And then the series name I am giving, that is S equals to PD1 dot series. Please note the capital letter over here. And then give the scalar data 5. In the whole series, only the data 5 will be represented. Okay, and where the 5 will be located? 5 will be represented in the index location 0, 1, 2 and 3. So provide the index also, and here is the output. If you can see, I am printing the series S. See the output for all the index positions. I have given the data 5. So here 5 is repeated for 4 times as per number of index. So please note down the whole program. What I'll do, I may copy the whole program to my Pydroid editor. I'm opening a Pydroid editor new, and I'm pasting it. But I have to do the things properly, because for writing inside Pydroid editor, it will be better to type, because copy pasting creates a lot of problem. As you can see here, it is difficult for me to write the whole data one by one, because it is, though it is copied, but it is not copied in proper syntax, so I have to prepare it with syntax. Okay, don't forget to save your program file. I'm saving it in, say, internal storage. I'll write the name of my file as, say, suppose PD scalar, and I'm going to run it. If you can see the output, it is coming here successfully. Very good. So it's very easy. It is the bad thing, advertisements. Okay, no problem. So in this way you can write your program in Pydroid. Okay, proceeding to the next one. Next slide. Please note down math operations with series. math operations with series. Math operations with series. So let us see how we can write math operations with series. So there are a number of math operations in Python or pandas. Just you have to use them. How to use them? Learn it. First of all, we have to write import pandas as PD. Then you have to create a series with a list, say 1, 2, 3. Another and the series name will be, first series name will be S. We are creating it from the list 1, 2, 3. Then we have the another series T, in which we are giving the data as 1, 2, 4. And after that I am performing arithmetical operation over here, addition operation. We are writing U equals to S plus T. So S and T I am adding, and in the next line I am writing U equals to S into T. So I am multiplying S and T, and in each of the item you have to print them. After addition I am printing it, and after multiplication I am printing it. This print U should be after this line. It is there in same line. This is the problem here. Okay, in our program I'd like to rectify it and see the answers. For addition 2, 4, 7, and for multiplication 1, 4 and 12 is coming. Okay, the output is all correct. I would like to write this program in my PyDroid editor, not in PyDroid, but this time I'll show you one more editor, CubePython 3L. This is the editor I'm opening. I'm writing import pandas over here, but okay, this is too much. Here also I have to give the things properly, because copy pasting is not very easy in these editors. It is better to write the program on your own. It is not very easy to write a complete program. Copy pasting is not very beneficial, I must say here. But then what to do? Let me see what it has to be done. And you have to be very careful about your indentation. Indentation will be a big problem here. You have to be very careful about indentation, otherwise it is very much difficult to get the output properly. It's very much difficult. Okay, let me see whether I can do it properly or not. Okay, but the T operation here I cannot give it properly because T's indentation is not correct, and you'll see what it is, L. Now it is all okay. Let me see if it will run or not. Unexpected indent. It is showing unexpected indent. Why it is unexpected indent? Import, maybe the addition operation. Okay, fine, I'll see it, because this editor is somehow not doing well, because this video direction is the video timer is showing over here, that's why I am not able to see my. Okay, fine, let me stop here. So this is the math operation. Let me proceed. You will run this program on your own, okay? Otherwise I'll show you in the next class. Here one one more important function is there, head function, head and the tail function. I'll stop over here after showing you head and tail function. Please see the head function, what the head function will do. This is the series 1 2 3 4 5 in the index location A B C D E, and I'm writing S dot head 3. That means the first 3, the head positions 3 elements will be shown in the output. See here, the please see the output over here. You will see 1 2 and 3. Only the first 3 data will be shown over here, because I am giving over here head 3. Okay, so this is the program, how to use the head function. Proceeding, the tail function, very easy. If you write S dot tail, only the last portions 3 data it will show. So please copy the program and you have to run it in the in any of the editor, Pydroid or QPython L. Okay, so today I'll show you the from dictionary how to create series, and the functions head tail, the mathematical operations, etc. In the next day we will see more of pandas. Okay, thank you for today.